Central Texas, southwestern and Central Texas until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clifton, moving east at 15 miles. Are completely flooded. Quarter size. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Whitney around 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Laguna Park around 3:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lake Whitney State Park around 3:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Whitney around 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Aquila Lake around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Womack, Lakewood Harbor, Aquila, Peoria, and Cedar Shores. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your